So a couple of years ago, the modern day Nostradamus, Gary V, made a comment in a keynote he was giving that there was an $80 billion shift that was beginning to take place in marketing and in advertising away from traditional means and into digital. Well, I stumbled across a phenomenal article yesterday from Forbes. I'm going to put it in the comment section down below. You got to check out this link. Gary was right, but he was also a little wrong. The number's even bigger, and it's already taking place. Think about it. When a commercial comes on TV, what do? Do you watch the commercial? No. You either DVR past it because you've recorded the show you're watching, or you grab your smartphone and you start thumbing through, and what's thumb stopping? Facebook, Instagram, Snap, all of these digital social platforms that are really gathering your attention now, and that's where you need to be doing your marketing, your advertising, and at least begin to get in the game if you're not there already. Adjust your co-op programs. Allow your independent retailers to have co-op dollars put towards boosting social media advertising. Leverage a content syndication program that'll take your brand message and amplify it across all of your individual dealers' social media pages automatically. Get in the game. It's only going to get bigger. Now's a very unique opportunity for you to take advantage of something at lower rates than you'll ever see ever again, and get with the companies that are staying alive by making the shift from traditional media to digital media.